Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Caseyville, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to complete a long-distance move, let us help you with the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us, you get the right team of professionals for your needs. We make relocating so much easier for you no matter how far you need to go. Our movers will help take the stress away of moving by offering all the services you need. An Illinois moving company might not seem necessary with a local move. However, with the right team, you'll save tons of time and energy. Moving is a big job no matter how far away you plan to go. The right professional movers will make the process easier. 3 Movers streamlines the entire process for your local move. If you want to get settled in sooner, our team is the right team for you. We know how to move you quickly and efficiently. If your move would take you all weekend, we can do it in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Caseyville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.